Tonight, I'm at Ivy House, celebrating the grand opening of one of the most exciting, diverse, and exclusive shows in the Houston area called Ostora. Now let's dive in and find out what all the magic it's about.
You're on this date with me.
I'm wondering how many hoity-toity types we have versus how many bloodthirsty, salty sea dog pirates we have.
Hello guys, tonight I'm with the creator of Ostora. So tell me a little bit more about this event.
Ostora is an opulent narrative experience where we tell you a story in flesh and blood, full of color and sound, rich and deep in aura, so that you can remember your past lives as you sailed with the ship called the Flower Moon with our pirates. So eventually you have to see to believe.
Thank you, Brian. It has been amazing. I've actually enjoyed it so much. It's more than what I was expecting. I would like to know more about the inspiration. How did Ostora came?
Sure, the story we're telling right now is the fate of the white snake. It's actually a 16th century Chinese legend, and we're retelling the story with the best performers all around. We have a traveling headlining performer, internationally traveling headlining performer every week. So we really do promise you the best show in Houston. Dining experience, opulence as much as it gets.
So tell me a little bit more about what you do.
I'm doing some face paint. I also do special effects makeups. But tonight I'm going to be doing some roses on you to match what you're wearing. So we'll go with a little light yellow with beige colors.
All right, guys, so now I'm with Jax. So tell me a little bit more. What do you think about this event?
It's so fun. I didn't realize there would be so many different components. It's creative. And I like the way y'all are mixing like a little bit of historical stuff with common things I can relate to now. It's very cool.
So what do you think about it? What was your favorite part?
Well, first of all, it's amazing. The place is just incredible, and the whole show is really nice. My favorite part was actually whenever the belly dancer came out, dancing very traditionally, and then all of the sudden just dubstep and belly dancing. And we were both Middle Eastern, so that was just like, wow, we have not seen that.
So do you know how to belly dance?
I try in front of the mirror, but no.
I love belly dance.
Yeah.
What do you think about? What was your favorite part?
Honestly, this was not what I expected. This was really much better. Like, it exceeded my expectations. Like, I can't even know what's coming next. One moment we were in Houston, now like we're in like this pirate theme, like fantasy, mix of magic, art, music, like everything that you actually like would think of.